Welcome to Tech Solutions Hub, your trusted source for assistive technology. Empowering accessibility, innovating for a better tomorrow. Explore our tutorials, product reviews, and expert insights. Learn how to harness assistive tech for independence. Connect with us. Subscribe for latest updates. Hit the notification bell. And join our community on social media. Breaking barriers, one solution at a time.
The instrumental for this video is provided by InnerSanctum Entertainment Ltd.
Alright, so good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening to everybody. This is Shaggy Boy. Today I'm going to take you through how to create a simple function on commentary screen reader. So this basically goes to the people who are using commentary screen reader or G-Show Plus on their device. Alright, so we are going to create a function. Okay, something that will make us do certain tasks very easily. After creating a function, we are going to assign this function to a gesture or any of the volume keys so that we can perform certain tasks very easily. Okay, so first of all, let's go to G-Show settings. Alright, so for the sake of those of us, who are new to commentary screen reader, if you want to go to G-Show settings, you just launch the menu by drawing capital L. That's you swipe down and right.
Main menu. Main granular list browsing. Read the whole screen. Voice assistant.
And you go to program settings.
Extensions. Program settings. Operation settings.
So when you go to program
Reading
settings,
notification. Advanced settings.
when you go to program settings, you then look for operational settings.
Read up. TTS settings. General settings.
So the first one is general settings,
CTS settings.
CTS settings,
Feedback settings.
feedback settings,
Operation settings.
operation settings. Go there.
Operation settings.
Now we are in operation settings. So when we go to operation settings, we will then look for what? Custom gesture scheme settings. That's where we are going to create our own function.
Navigate up. Operation settings. Gesture scheme custom. Custom gesture scheme settings.
So here we are going. Let me enter there.
Custom.
So we are in custom gesture scheme settings. So when we get here,
Close button.
we then have to explore the top right corner of the phone to locate more options. More options, the top right corner.
More options button.
Then we double tap, then we swipe
Create a new function.
until we hear create a new automatic click function.
Create a new automatic click function. Function manager. New voice command. Voice command manager.
Alright,
New voice function. Create a new automatic click function. Function manager. New voice command.
so you can create a new voice command.
Function manager.
So by this time we are learning how to create a function.
Create a new automatic click function.
So create a new automatic click function. Let's go there.
A text box showing English UK QWERTY keyboard.
So when you enter create a new automatic click function, the moment you enter, automatically an edit box opens for you to enter the name of the function you want to create. Alright, so this time around, let's say I want to create a function where I can go to more options very easily. Let me break it down. For example, let's say you are on WhatsApp and you want to go to more options on WhatsApp, or you are in any other application and you want to go to more options of that app, or anywhere you are and you know that okay, when I fill the top right corner of the phone, I'll see more options and I'll go there. Instead of going through that process of trying to locate more options at the top right corner, you can just assign a gesture or create a function, then you assign it to a gesture. So the moment you get on that page, you just assign that gesture, then it will quickly take you to more options.
Screen locked. Enter showing English UK QWERTY keyboard.
So let's enter the name of what we want to do. So more options, right?
B N M F shift enabled. B capital M capital M capital M O R more 2 more delete more W E more space more P 0 O P up D up I up O up N option E D S options.
So more options. That's the edit box that open automatically. I've entered more options.
Okay button. More options.
All right.
English UK
So
keyword.
mostly to get it very accurately, you can just open any application or go anywhere where there's more options. You just copy, you just focus your finger on the more option and you just copy it. You copy the text and come and paste it here. You understand, to make it more accurately. But if you know the spelling, you can just type it out like that. I've just done it. So I've typed the name. So there's a second edit box.
Close button. More options. Save. More options button. Text box.
So this second edit box, you have to also type what you want to make the function perform. So you want the function to go to more options, right? So just click it and just enter more options.
Showing English UK QWERTY keyboard. Shift N A B capital M capital M capital Shift O R more W E more space more P O P up R D up O I up D O up N option S options.
So I have entered more options within the second edit box. So that one is basically about what we want the function to perform. Remember that the first edit box that popped in automatically, we can enter any name. But remember that always the second edit box should be what you want the function to perform. Do you understand? So it could be I want it to perform more option, but I can decide to, in the first option, I can just, in the first edit box that open automatically, I can decide to write quick more options or go to more options quickly as the name. Then the second edit box, then I'll come and enter only more options. Do you understand? So after entering, you have to save it.
Close button. More option. Save.
New notification from G-Show Plus saved.
It is being saved beautifully. So you are done. That's all. So now let me go back.
More options text box.
English
Editing.
UK keyword. More options button. More options. 12 characters in total. Close button. Custom.
Okay, so I've gone back.
Close button.
So I've gone back to the custom settings interface. So here you see a list of gestures here.
Custom. Save. Share. More options button. Up gesture default. Down gesture default.
So these are a list of gestures. So let me just assign it to one of the gestures.
Swipe left default. Swipe right default. Left and right gesture send. Right and left gesture default. Up and down gesture default. Down and up gesture default. Left and up gesture default. Left and down gesture function / paste. Right and up gesture function / clear.
Okay, so let me just assign it to
Left right and up gesture function / clear.
right and up gesture. Right and up gesture. I already have something there, but let me go and change it and put the more options over there.
Right and up gesture. Right and up default unchecked. No command unchecked. Plugins unchecked. Custom voice commands unchecked. Tools unchecked. Application unchecked. Function unchecked. More options unchecked.
So more options, right? Let me hit on it.
Right and up gesture. More options.
So I've used the right and up gesture to represent more options. So Let me save it. By even just going back, it will save automatically.
Operation
New
settings.
notification from Tissue Plus saved.
So it has been saved. So now if I swipe right and up, it will take me to more options. Okay, so let me go to WhatsApp. I mean something we are familiar to, so that I'll try and see whether if I launch such gesture it will take me to more options.
Eric 9:37 a.m. Guys, we have 7 more. Chats 1 select.
Alright, so before then, let me just feel the top right corner so that you realize that there's more options there.
More options button.
You see, there's more options. Is that clear? So let me remove the focus over there.
Chats 1 select.
Okay.
Review 904 a.m. You are welcome.
Okay, so you see that I focused my thumb on somebody's name. So let me launch, or let me just do this gesture and see whether it will take me to more options or not. So right and up, right? So I'm swiping right, then I'll go up. So let's go.
More options.
You understand? So it has taken me to more options like that.
Follow developer.
Follow developer,
WhatsApp gold update.
WhatsApp gold updates,
Gold settings.
gold settings,
Message scheduler.
message scheduler,
Auto reply.
auto reply,
Restart WhatsApp.
restart WhatsApp.
Message number.
You understand? So it is working. Okay,
Review
let
904
me
a.m.
go
You are
to
welcome.
another person's chat. Okay, this is Rita UEW.
Review 904 a.m. What message text box?
Okay, we know that when you enter anybody's chat, the top right corner is always more option. But let me just launch this function by using my gesture, swipe right and up, and see whether it will go there.
More options.
It has gone there.
View contact.
View contact,
Media links and docs.
media links and docs,
Search.
search. So that's it. It's very simple. So this is just how to create a simple function. In my next tutorial, I'll show you how to convert this function we just created into an extension, or people will say a plugin.
Message text box.
When it happens that way, you can share this extension with a friend or the plugins, or you can assign it to your volume keys. Mostly when you create the function, okay, you can share it, but you can't share it as a file. So when you convert it to an extension or a plugin, or let's say an extension, you can share it to anybody at all to also benefit. Alright, so that's the end of today's tutorial, and you can also try it, your hands on it.
Before you go, subscribe to Tech Solutions Hub for more useful contents like this.